Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Conklin. Today, for story time, I thought I would read a story called I Ain't Gonna Paint No More. And the author is Karen Beaumont, and it's illustrated by David Catrow. One day, my mama caught me painting pictures on the ceiling, on the floor, and the walls, and the curtains, and the door. And I heard my mama holler like I never did before. You ain't gonna paint no more. Oh my. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. That's what I say, but there ain't no way that I ain't gonna paint no more. Let's see what he's gonna paint. So I take some red and I paint my head. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Ah, what the heck. Gotta paint my neck. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Still, I just can't rest till I paint my chest. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Guess there ain't no harm if I paint my arm. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Look, he painted little bugs climbing up his arm. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. But I just can't stand not to paint my hand. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Then I see some black, so I paint my back. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Like an Easter egg, gonna paint my leg. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Still I ain't complete till I paint my feet. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. But I'm such a nut, gonna paint my what? Yeah, all don't faint 'cause there ain't no paint, so I ain't gonna paint no more. Look at the bathtub. Oh my goodness. He was very busy painting himself. Probably better to paint on paper, right? Well, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that story. It was a fun rhyming book. I will see you again soon. Have a good day. Bye.